We have a whale alert for crypto.com, and it is coming from none other than the CEO of crypto.com, Chris Marsliak. And this is a post he put out on X that I want to talk about today. And I also want to talk about this other idea over this weekend that I just seen hit the headlines right now. People asking Bitcoin to 60K or to 140K. And so if we have whale alerts going on, we have volatility for Bitcoin, you can only imagine what people are going to be starting to think regarding altcoins and CRO coin. So I just want to talk about all this in this video, guys, and say welcome back to the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip. Do me a favor, smash the like button if you haven't done so already. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. And you know what? Let's get right into this thing. If you're looking at what is going on right now for the price of Bitcoin, we're still below 110, and people are wondering if we're going to fall. I guess people are wondering right now, are we going to $60,000? So this article was very interesting to me. A Bitcoin 2021 chart, fractals, hint at $60,000. According to multiple analyses, Bitcoin will repeat the price trajectory that foreshadowed the 2021 market top. And what they've got drawn right here is a couple different little peaks here that they're kind of relating to the last cycle. So there's point 1, 2, 3, and 4, and there's point 1, 2, 3, and 4. Basically, this chart and this idea is calling for a bear market. Now, that's the way that I'm reading into this article. But is that really what we can expect? I don't expect it. It's possible. However, it's not what I expect because of the historical data that we've talked about so much. Q4 is historically the best month for crypto, or best quarter for crypto, with 85% average gains. October is historically one of the best months for crypto, as is November. And due to the price action that we've seen on Bitcoin in this bull market and just how long this cycle's been going on, again, I believe these bull markets last about 1,071 days. Now, we have certainly been going for a long time from the low to the high of the last cycle, 1,070-ish days. From the low to where we're at right now, we are currently 1,030, almost 1,040 days into this thing. I think we've still got some time left. But are we going to continue to blast off through these previous highs? And is this going to look different? Is instead of this spot number 4 that we saw in 2021, seeing a rejection and a breakdown, are we going to see it move up and through to a new high before falling over? That's what I lean towards. I actually really, this chart is quite scary to me. However, I just still feel like we haven't really had that true bull market yet. And here is another look at it. I think we've had a really great bull market for Bitcoin, but we haven't had an altcoin season just yet, and I still think that's ahead, which leaves me bullish on CRO. And getting to crypto.com CEO's post here, I think it's important to pay attention what the leaders are saying from the crypto.com team when you're looking at the CRO coin token. Let's just read this post from Chris real quick. Proud that crypto.com has become a leader in servicing some of the leading digital asset treasuries, driving demand for our custody services exponentially. And if you guys have been paying attention, you've seen them partner with so many institutions to be the custodian for their crypto. As a part of that work, we will be moving large sums of money from their exchange to their custody business. You will see this activity and want you to be aware of what's happening. And so, yes, there is a whale alert going on right now. And the alert is at crypto.com, because they've been so successful in this treasury adoption for cryptocurrencies, and they're the custodian for these treasuries. They're moving a bunch of money around soon so they could support that custody business. Does that mean that the crypto.com exchange is going to be, crypto.com exchange is moving money, it's failing? That's what some people are going to do. I don't think that. I know that. I mean, he wouldn't come out and do this if that wasn't the case, or if that was the case. He's getting out and he's saying, you will see this activity, and hey, we want to be transparent. We want you to know of ahead of time, because otherwise, Chris knows people are going to go to the internet and be like, crypto.com is moving all their money. They're dumping all, they're dumping their tokens. This is what they'd say. And then after the headline, $6 billion worth of CRO or outflow from the, this is the story that we've seen lately for crypto.com. And if you don't know what I'm talking about there, go watch the video I did earlier today or yesterday. I was talking about it in both of those videos a little bit. I am bullish on CRO, but we do need to continue to be cautious of a potential bear market. Now, I don't believe that the bear market's coming right now. I don't think that this is the top. I don't believe that. That's my personal opinion, and you have to do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, but I do think that there will be a bear market coming at some point. As I continue to see the volatility play out in this crypto space, I trade this stuff, guys. I love to do it, whether it's CRO, Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, XRP, Cardano, you name it, Doge, Pepe, Sheeb. You can trade them all on a lot of these exchanges. Two of the exchanges that I use are BitConnect and Blowfin. And if you haven't signed up for either of these guys, there's a sign-up bonus in the description of this video down below if you want to check it out. I think there's a lot of chop left in this market. And even if we did go into a bear market, there's still tremendous trading opportunities on the way down, and then a great accumulation phase. A lot of people get a little too scared of a bear market. I kind of get excited for a bear market because before a bear market, you have, well, really great bull market. I mean, that's the difference. You get a bull market and then you go into a bear market. And so I think that the best moment is still coming for alts. And I think it's going to happen in October and maybe even into November. But I do believe that by 2026, this exciting altcoin run could end. That's just the historical data we've seen. But I want to remind you guys, think about the amount of institutions that are adopting corporate treasuries of crypto. Who's the partner backing them? It's crypto.com. Crypto is going to be around for a long time. That's why there's corporate treasuries for digital assets now. And I think the fact that crypto.com is going to be the custodian for a lot of these companies adopting crypto, crypto.com is going to be around for a long time. It leads me to be very bullish on CRO. So even if you're scared of a dip to 60K, which again, I don't think that's coming right now. I think that there's still tremendous opportunities in this space, whether you're trading it, whether you're waiting for a bear market to buy and then have some fun in the next bull market. And I still think, we're going to have bull markets and bear markets, but over time, I think crypto will go up. And yeah, if we do go in a bear market at some point, and I think we will, I think 60K is a very reasonable place for Bitcoin to go, which might shock some people, but I really do. I mean, nothing goes straight up. This is how this market works. This is what we've seen. And as you know that something's not going straight up, you can trade it on the way up and trade it on the way back down. Exchanges I use to do it are BitConnect and Blowfin. Check them out in the description of this video. In the comment section, I got them pinned there for you as well. That's all I got in this video, guys. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. DCI Huddle, my friends, of course. I'll see you in the next one. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Till next time, peace, y'all.